Alpha Foodie focuses mostly on eating the rainbow, so it encourages eating a lot of colorful, natural foods that in this way we can get all the nutrients and vitamins in a natural way. Hi everyone, my name is Samira and I run the healthy food blog Alpha Foodie. Alpha Foodie focuses on DIYs, so I have all sorts of DIYs on my blog. I love doing DIYs and I have been doing intensively DIYs for the past 2 years. I have used several food processors and blenders over the past few years. I love Nutri Milk because Nutri Milk kind of like works as a food processor and blender for me, and it's so versatile. It can do nut butters and nut milks within, like very quickly.